Hello, and welcome to our instructional video on simplifying integer exponent problems. In this video, we will be focusing on the problem 3 raised to the power of 3 minus 2 raised to the power of 3. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how to simplify this expression. So, let's get started. To solve the problem 3 raised to the power of 3 minus 2 raised to the power of 3, let's first break it down by evaluating each exponentiation separately. Begin by calculating the first part of the expression. 3 raised to the power of 3 means multiplying 3 by itself 3 times. 3 multiplied by 3 equals 9. Then multiply 9 by 3. 9 multiplied by 3 equals 27. So, 3 raised to the power of 3 equals 27. Next, let's calculate the second part of the expression. 2 raised to the power of 3 means multiplying 2 by itself 3 times. 2 multiplied by 2 equals 4. Then multiply 4 by 2. 4 multiplied by 2 equals 8. So 2 raised to the power of 3 equals 8. Now let's rewrite the original expression using these calculated values. The expression 27 minus 8. This completes the alterations for step 1. We have simplified 3 raised to the power of 3 minus 2 raised to the power of 3 to 27 minus 8. By simplifying the exponentiation, the problem now becomes a basic subtraction problem, 27 minus 8. Step 2 involves performing the basic subtraction to completely simplify the expression. Now, we have resolved the given integer exponent problem down to the simpler form of 27 minus 8. To subtract, think of taking 8 away from 27. Start by knowing the place value of each number. 27 is 20 plus 7. We need to subtract 8 from 27. To help simplify, break it down by subtracting step by step. First, subtract 7 from 8. 7 subtracted from 8 equals 1. Then subtract the remaining 1 from 20. 20 minus 1 equals 19. So 27 minus 8 equals 19. Therefore, the simplified result of 3 raised to the power of 3 minus 2 raised to the power of 3 is 19. This completes the problem. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.